Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever been stumped by the For Honor error code 200000604? The error reads, "Connection failed. The For Honor servers are unreachable at this time. Please try again later. Check our service status at forhonorgame.com/status." As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game to play, but they receive this error. During our research, we have found many players reporting the same issues, which indicate that this is likely a server-side problem. One method to tackle this error is to restart your network and device. It's a simple step but can often be the solution to many temporary glitches. Power down your router and gaming device and disconnect them from the power source. Give it a good 10-minute break before rebooting. Once your devices are back up and running, see if the error is still there. If the error remains, consider connecting over a different network. Switch to a different Wi-Fi connection or even a mobile hotspot. If the error doesn't show up on a different network, then it's time to troubleshoot your primary network. Next on the list is to check the For Honor server status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, but with the game servers themselves. If there's a known outage or scheduled server maintenance, all you can do is wait until things get back to normal before attempting to play again. Another solution offered by players is to keep attempting to get into the game. It seems a bit tedious, but some players have reported success after repeated attempts. And lastly, if you've recently refunded anything, like a hero pack, it might be triggering the error. One Reddit user reported this situation, and upon repurchasing the refunded item, the error disappeared. So if you've refunded anything recently, it might be worth reaching out to Ubisoft support to see if that's the cause. In summary, the For Honor error code 200000604 is a common issue that can be addressed in a few different ways. Restarting your network and device, switching networks, checking server status, repeatedly trying to get into the game, and looking into any recent refunds are all potential solutions. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.